Have you ever wondered how much money you can safely deposit into your mobile banking account without raising any red flags? Today, we're diving deep into the maximum mobile deposit limits for EverBank. Mobile banking has revolutionized the way we manage our finances. It's convenient, fast, and often safer than carrying large amounts of cash. But there's a limit to how much you can deposit using your mobile device. EverBank's mobile deposit limit, EverBank, like many other banks, has a specific limit on how much you can deposit via mobile banking in a single transaction. While this limit can vary depending on factors like your account history, the general rule of thumb is to check your online banking or mobile app for the exact amount. Factors affecting mobile deposit limits. Several factors can influence your mobile deposit limit. Account age and activity. Newer accounts or accounts with low activity might have lower limits. Regular deposits and withdrawals can increase your limit over time. Deposit history. If you've had successful mobile deposits in the past, your bank might increase your limit. Security measures. Banks often have security measures in place to prevent fraud. If your bank detects suspicious activity, your limit might be temporarily reduced. Bank policies. Each bank has its own specific policies regarding mobile deposits. It's essential to familiarize yourself with EverBank's guidelines. Tips for maximizing mobile deposit limits. Start small. If you're new to mobile banking, start with smaller deposits to establish a positive deposit history. Deposit regularly. Consistent deposits can help increase your limit over time. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account activity and any notifications from your bank. Contact customer service. If you have questions or concerns about your mobile deposit limit, don't hesitate to reach out to EverBank's customer service. Additional considerations. Mobile deposit fees. Some banks might charge fees for mobile deposits, especially for large amounts. Check with EverBank to see if there are any associated fees. Deposit deadlines. Be aware of any deadlines for mobile deposits. Some banks might have cutoff times for deposits to be processed on the same day. Security best practices. Always follow best practices for mobile banking security, such as using strong passwords, avoiding public Wi-Fi, and being cautious of phishing scams. Understanding EverBank's maximum mobile deposit limit is crucial for managing your finances effectively. By following the tips and guidelines discussed in this video, you can make the most of mobile banking and avoid any potential issues. Do you have any questions about EverBank's mobile deposit limits or other banking-related topics? Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.